guys, hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, I have new hair. Whenever I have new hair, I always come on here and do a review. So a company called Goodear reached out to me from Amazon and they sent me this hair. So this is a white curl hair and it's in a T30, so it's like kind of brown up top and lighter at the bottom. I got 6-packs and I used most of them. This is how much I had left right here. So this is pretty much all that I have left, as you guys can see. So yeah, this hair is really beautiful, as you guys can see. Like the curls are just amazing. And it does get frizzy. I have to warn you guys at the ends and stuff like that. But you can just take scissors and just cut them. Also, I'm telling you guys not to use any products on this hair, really, because it's gonna get too tangled up and matted up. So I would just not recommend not to use any products on it. This hair is like, I've just been really loving it the past 2 days that I've been wearing it. So let me turn around for you guys so you guys can see the back. This is 18 inches. 5'10", as you guys can see, it's hitting me right here. But let me turn around so you guys can see the back of it. Like it's a lot of hair. So if you don't have a lot of volume and a lot of hair, then I would not recommend this hair. Okay guys, so I'm gonna do a close-up of the hair. As you guys can see how the curves look so beautiful. So what I did was, do not separate the hair when you're doing this. Make sure you just take a piece, take a holding spray or gel. I have both here, and take a little bit and put it on it and rub it down so that it tames all this frizz. Like that. And then take the hair like this and, you know, like pick some area like right here, loop it like that, and do this once and then another time, so that the hair stays better. If you open up this hair, you're gonna have a lot of frizz and a lot of matting. So I wouldn't recommend that. But yeah, just take a holding spray or gel. So far for the 2 days, the hair's been okay. I've been making sure that I use a bonnet and stuff like that, because if you just sleep with it, you're gonna have a lot of tangling right here. So let's see here. Okay guys, so that's pretty much it. So far I'm really loving the hair. The texture is very natural, as you guys can see here. But with that, you have to really be careful about not separating it. Make sure you sleep with your bonnet. Use some kind of a gel or a holding spray, you know, when you're doing it. Make sure you loop your crochet braids like twice, because it's gonna kind of come undone right here. But overall, I mean, I'm really loving the hair so far. And yeah, the volume is just amazing. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.